Let's make the handles. Fold your fabric in four. First you will fold in half to make a crease in the center, then fold the raw edges in towards the crease and fold over again. This piece of fabric will be 5 inches wide by 30 inches long, or you can make it to whatever length is suitable for you. So after you fold it, you will cut a piece of interfacing 1 inch wide by 30 inches long and place between the fold, and if it's fusible you will use your iron and press to adhere the interfacing.